Modern life requires different types of work and learning. This video is about some work and work techniques, which may be necessary in your life. So keep watching. Modern bulldozer for lifting cement and sand. See modern machine methods of wood carving. The eye will catch the eye, the amazing vase or tree box made by hand with wood.
If you like the video, please subscribe and select all on the bell button next to it so that you get notification as soon as the next video is published. And give a like.
Packet of black jam. An example of iron burning. Flying motorcycle wrestling. Wood press machine. How to paint a wooden table. Vegetables from bamboo shoots. Techniques of harvesting fruit from trees using modern machines. The floor is made of cement. Balloon inflating techniques. A view of a trawler laden with sand dumping sand into the river. Modern methods of onion cultivation. Dust machine for breaking silver or iron. Handicraft made from pineapple tree. Sand cement, concrete mixing machine.
If you like the video, please subscribe and select all on the bell button next to it so that you get notification as soon as the next video is published. And give a like.
design or tiling techniques. Road braking machine. Lion truck, carrying lion idle. Bottle breaking style. Sewing techniques. Color design on wood. A strange machine for uprooting roadside trees. Plum packing and cholesterol. Sea fish rearing formula. Bucket blender you can make yourself. Formula for modern method of paddy seedling and paddy planting. Techniques for picking onions from the ground. Check out the rules for cleaning coconut shells. Techniques for putting eyes on plastic dolls. Material handling techniques operated by magnet cranes. Techniques for cutting wood to size. Crane trucks carrying whole trees. Methods of harvesting round potatoes.
If you like the video, please subscribe and select all on the bell button next to it so that you get notification as soon as the next video is published. And give a like.
View of car crossing on broken village road. Railway concrete repair. Growing round potatoes in tubs at home. Road repair monster truck. Vegetable mixing machine. Modern technique of coloring or designing ceramic pots. Thanks for watching. Then now, like, subscribe to the video and press the bell button to select all, so that you get notifications when such videos are released in the future. And if you like the video, like it and stay tuned.